In 2025, the landscape of cryptocurrency is evolving, and if you're looking to build wealth from scratch, there are 5 platforms and tools that stand out as essential for beginners and even intermediate users. Let's dive right in. First up is Coinbase. This platform is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to start buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. With a simple interface and a wealth of educational resources, Coinbase helps you understand the basics of crypto while allowing you to invest in a variety of coins. Plus, their Earn program lets you earn crypto by learning about different projects. It's a great way to dip your toes into the market without feeling overwhelmed. Next, we have Lido. If you're interested in staking, Lido is a fantastic option. It allows you to stake your Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies without locking them up for long periods. This means you can earn rewards while still having access to your assets. Lido simplifies the staking process, making it accessible for beginners who want to earn passive income without the complexities of managing their own nodes. The third tool on our list is Kraken. Known for its robust security features, Kraken is perfect for those who prioritize safety in their investments. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and has a straightforward interface. Kraken also provides advanced trading options for when you're ready to take your skills to the next level. Their educational resources are excellent for learning about market trends and trading strategies, making it a valuable platform for anyone looking to grow their wealth. Moving on to MetaMask, a must-have for anyone interested in decentralized finance, or DeFi. This wallet allows you to interact with various blockchain applications directly from your browser. It's beginner-friendly and provides a secure way to manage your crypto assets. With MetaMask, you can easily swap tokens, participate in DeFi protocols, and explore the world of NFTs. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to engage with the broader crypto ecosystem. Finally, let's talk about DappRadar. This platform is your go-to for discovering decentralized applications across multiple blockchains. DappRadar provides insights into the most popular dApps, allowing you to track trends and find opportunities for investment or engagement. Whether you're looking to play games, trade NFTs, or explore DeFi projects, DappRadar helps you navigate the vast landscape of decentralized applications with ease. These 5 platforms, Coinbase, Lido, Kraken, MetaMask, and DappRadar, are designed to empower you on your wealth-building journey in the crypto space. They are all beginner-friendly, available now, and offer unique features that cater to various aspects of investing, earning, and learning. Remember, as you explore these tools, you have the chance to participate in our $250 giveaway. Keep that in mind as you start your journey. Embrace the learning process, stay informed, and take your first steps into the world of cryptocurrency with confidence.